Hi, welcome to Live DIY. Today I will be signing up for Audiio.com and downloading royalty-free music to use in a video editor like Davinci Resolve to make a simple video clip like this. This video is for people who are maybe new to video editing and want to jump right into using music and sound effects for their YouTube videos. Click on the discount link below in the comments or descriptions to get started. This is a paid service. Either you pay for a year for music and sound effects, or you pay a lifetime fee for each. The yearly cost is extremely cheap, but if you're like me and you don't want recurring fees, there's a coupon code for a limited time that will save you a lot of money. But before you get started, you gotta sign up. I'll make a test account real quick to get past this, but after that, here's where you enter your coupon code. There's LT200, which is provided right here. It knocks off $200, but there's an old one that's been working in 2024, LT 2023, which knocks off $300. And again, this is not going to work forever. And remember, this only gets you access to the music. There's also a big sound effects library, which you have to buy separately if you're getting this lifetime license. For the moment, the coupon code is SFX100, and it'll knock it down to $100. So at the very least, it's $300 for the whole library, one-time fee, and honestly, the Pro for $59 a year is probably a better deal. Once you've signed up, it's easy to search and filter. I'd suggest starting a playlist by clicking here, create a new one. It shows up in the column immediately, and you can just add music to it like this. Once you're ready to download it, it'll have a few questions. I always select business, social media, which covers use on YouTube, and there it goes. Once it's downloaded, you can just drag and drop it into your video editor. But for those of you using Davinci Resolve, I want to show you how to set up your sound library because it's very convenient. In the edit page, click the sound library tab. By default, there's no music in the library. There's a Fairlight one that you can download for free, but I already installed mine. Click the three dots here and add a sound library, which merely searches for audio in any folder that you point it to. Now, if you notice duplicates or missing songs, you can just delete this anytime and add the sound library again, and it searches it fresh. Quick tip, important tip, put 3 asterisks here in the search bar to view all. Otherwise it looks empty. Now you can search and drop in music without worrying about copyright claims. I hope this helps someone. Don't forget to click the link below to get a discount on Audiio.com. If you have a comment, leave it below. And as always, like and subscribe to Live DIY.